Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to update firmware on your DREAME D20 Plus. To update the firmware, you need to get into the app. There's a high chance that if there is a new firmware update available, it will automatically show it on the screen and you can just click on update. But if it didn't, you can simply click on three dots in top right corner, scroll down to firmware update, and you'll find it here. You can see in my case it says that new firmware version is available, so I can click on update now. Now make sure not to remove your robot from the charging station, not to turn it off, and not to start a cleaning task until it's finished. After it's finished, it will let you know, and there's a minor chance that it won't be fully finished and that you may need to try going to firmware update again and updating again, because sometimes if there's if you need to update a few versions up, you cannot update at once and you need to update multiple times until you get to those few versions up. So I'll get back to you when it's finished. In my case, I did indeed update to the latest version the first time, so I can show you that it's done now. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.